Hey there, friends. Josh here. We're back at it, pulling things out of the box and inventorying all the parts. In a little bit, we'll be labeling all of the different rivets. There's like, I don't know, 7 different kinds of rivets that Vans sends with the kits, all of varying lengths. So we definitely want to keep those all separated. Hopefully, I heard a good tip was to keep them in the bag, because if they ever accidentally fall out and spill all over the place, that could be a horrible disaster. So we want to avoid that. Really liking the monitor, using the digital plans. Right now I'm comparing all the parts lists to what is actually in the box. Here we go. There's me sorting all the rivets into different drawers and creating labels. And I realized when I stitched these videos back together, they got out of chronological order. But, you know, that's okay. We're getting this just across. I blame GoPro for not compressing videos already. Each, like 19 seconds is 2 gigs of video. So I had to use 3 64 gig cards and swap, and it doesn't matter anymore. I bought a 256 gig card. I can record a whole day's worth of video without having to switch cards and piece the videos back together using different tools. So we're all good now. We might have a few more videos that jump around in chronological order, but enjoy. And my secret plan worked to get the kids interested in building an airplane. You'll see here, one of my boys came out and helping me inventory everything. He got all excited when I posted the first video to YouTube, and he made some graphics for my channel. So I think he's actually more excited about that than actually building an airplane, but we'll see how this goes. And that's it. I don't really have anything else to say about the build today. So I'm going to let this video roll to the end, and if you're really sadistic, then you can keep watching me pull parts out of a box, comparing it to the part number on a piece of paper, counting the quantities, and maybe you'll enjoy that.